So now we're going to open Will's present. Are you excited? Do you want to open your present?
Yes.
Okay. What do we need to open the present with? You need some scissors? Need some help? Help. Here, let's just pull it. We can just pull it. Oh. Pull. Okay, look, it's a present inside of a present. Should we open that one?
Like that.
That's the envelope it was mailed in.
No.
Okay, you want to see what's inside?
Right.
Open it. What's that?
A fireman.
Spider-Man.
A fireman white.
Yeah? What's this? What's this?
Fireman. Fireman. My fireman.
It's a Spider-Man shirt. Are you going to wear it? What are you going to do with this?
Mommy.
Yes.
What's that?
That? I think that's the bad Spider-Man. That's the Venom.
Fireman.
And what's this? What is this? What are we going to do with this?
Read.
You're going to read it? Do you like it? Well, do you like your present?
My dad.
Who is that?
Fireman.
This Spider-Man. Do you like your present?
Like the fireman.
Yeah, that's the bad Spider-Man.
Like the fireman right there.
You're going to get that Spider-Man?
Like the fireman.
Yeah?
It's the fire wars.
He roars?
Yes.
Really? Do you like your shirt?
Yes.
Are you going to wear it?
Yes.
Can you say...
Like these are.
You want the... What are those?
These are.
They're crayons? For coloring?
My dad have fireman.
That's Spider-Man too. Can you say thank you, Granny?
Do.
Oh, can you wave at the camera? Say I love you, Granny.
What do.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Big smile.